Planning to study or work in Australia? Big immigration changes are coming, and you need to know what's new. Australia has slashed student visa approvals by over 50% for Indians, from 102,000 to just 50,000. From July 2024, student visa fees jumped from 710 to odd 1,600, with another hike on the horizon, odd 2,000 by 2026. Post-study work rights? Now stricter than ever. If you're over 35 or don't meet English and financial thresholds, you may be ineligible. The Aussie government is now targeting skilled migration, regional settlement, and higher salary thresholds to manage migration better. Universities fear this will hit international student numbers, and hard. But the government says it's about system integrity. Confused about where you stand? Book a consultation with A2Zimi for expert personalized immigration advice. Australia's policies are shifting. Stay ahead. Click the link in bio for help.